Welcome back to Time for Sony. Like, new video ideas. That's why I'm Luca. Today, I finally found my Dino Charge Morpher. I'll be doing every single sound of 8 and every Dino Charge I have today. Firstly, if I do this charger by any chance, they might say T-Rex still. Let's do. I'm going to be doing the rest of the charger. Let's see what sound it does. Now guys, I'll be doing the Terror Dino. Now I'll be doing the ammo charge. It's not a ranger charge, but I got it with the repaint sword, with the M-Knights, the repaint ammo knight. If you want to see that sword, check out one of my other videos I done. I'll be doing the Dino Charger, the Black Rangers one, Powers. I think it is, so. This one came with the Morpher, but my I'm gonna now do the T-Rex. I'm gonna do this one because I think it will say the T-Rex. It's only going. Number 10 next. I might do the T-Rex. I'm gonna do the T-Rex charger anyway, but because the Prezio did it, so. These are very good when you get a sword. It's very nice when you get a sword, you get like a Dino Charger with it. So that's all for today. Tunes up. Don't forget to go and watch Time for Sony another day. Goodbye.